Hello guys, today I will tell you every single thing you need to know about Folifort before you actually buy this product. And also I have two very important alerts to give you that will help you preserve your health, so please pay close attention to that. One very important point of attention is, guys, be careful, be very careful about the website where you purchase Folifort from. Nowadays, Folifort can only be sold via its official website. So what is happening at the moment is that people are being tricked, people are being scammed when they are buying the product from other marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. Those are not the original products, those are probably fakes, and they could even harm your health. So be careful with that, be careful with strange ads, or even reviews here on YouTube of people with weird robotic voices saying that they used the product when they actually didn't use it. So that's the main sign that you're in trouble. So stay away from that. And to help you stay away from that, I am leaving the official website in the description of this video here below so that you can read more about it and also for you to purchase the product from its official website. And also, I have found out something about Folifort that nobody talks about, so make sure to stay with me until the end of the video to learn about that, okay? Anyway, what is Folifort and does Folifort work? Well, I can tell you that Folifort really works a lot. It has been helping more than 150,000 happy clients in the whole world. Folifort is a nutritional supplement that claims to make balding an optional part of your life. By taking 2 capsules of Folifort daily, what will happen is that you will reduce your hair loss and by using natural ingredients. By taking Folifort, you will target specifically alopecia, which is a condition that is believed to affect nearly half of all men and a quarter of all women. Folifort works on both men and women of all ages, and no matter how long have they been bald, even if you've been bald for over 40 years, no matter the severity of your hair loss, by taking Folifort, you will solve those issues. The makers of Folifort claim to have conducted a study with 1,800 people. And during this trial, all 1,800 people restored their hair to full strength. So based on the results of this trial, the makers of Folifort claim that their natural formula works for both men and women of all ages, including people who lost their hair 40 years before. So again, it's a completely natural formula. It works for both men and women of all ages, people from 20 to 70 years old, and all sorts of people who who lost their hair maybe days or even decades before. But for Folifort to really work, you have to commit to the treatment, okay? Remember, there's no such thing as a magical formula, so your hair won't grow overnight. But if you make sure to take those 2 capsules every day without skipping any day, you can rest assured that your hair will grow much faster than it is now. So just make sure to follow the treatment and don't skip any day. And remember, this product is 100% natural, so it won't have any kind of negative effect on your health. It won't harm your body in any way. And also, it is made following the highest quality standards. And still, if you're worried about Folifort not working for you, because, well, each organism can react differently to the formula, so the results could be different for you. So if you don't like the product for any reason, the company gives you a 60-day guarantee. and they give you your money back. So if you don't like the product for any reason, if it doesn't work for you, you can just ask for your money back and they just give you your refund completely, no questions asked. So that really guarantees our investment in the product, right? So that's it for this video. I hope it's been helpful. I hope the information that I shared was relevant. Again, make sure that you check the website that you're visiting. Make sure that you are only accessing the official website of the product. So that's it. If you liked this video and you would like to see more, make sure to click thumbs up. And thank you very much for watching. Good luck with your treatment.